Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView notification not working on Android and iPhone devices. The alert fix. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. The step 1 is to you can make sure that you have enabled the system notification for TradingView. To check, you can simply close the application, open the app list, then long press on the application. After once you long press, click on app information. Then after here you can simply scroll down and then click on permissions. Now here make sure that you allow the notification permission here. The step 2 is to verify alert is active inside our trading view. So you can simply open the application. Then after open the chart. Now here the battery optimizer or background restrictions. So like aggressive power saving kills notifications. So you can simply firstly disable the power saving mode if you enabled here, or you can disable the battery optimization in your device if available. On my device, I have only a power saving mode, so disable it. And the last step is you can simple log out and reinstall the application. So sometimes a simple log out and reinstall can fix many notification related problems because it will clear all kind of cache, all memory from your device and install the app as a new one. Okay, goodbye.